Our new Navigator is designed to offer a state-of-the-nation overview of all important information for each user, allowing them to efficiently plan where they need to focus and keep everyone in the loop. You can create Navigator layouts made up of multiple customizable elements, which can be simply dragged and dropped onto a layout and saved as a custom profile. To make sure no one misses it, a friendly pop-up message will appear, letting users know, try the new Navigator. Clear, direct, and right on cue. It's our way of saying, something new is here, and it's built for you. Of course, change takes time, so we're giving users the freedom to choose. With just a click, you can switch back to the old Navigator and return to the new one whenever you're ready. It's flexibility without pressure, because we believe in letting you move at your own pace. When you're ready, switching back to our new, enhanced Navigator is just as easy. But here's something to keep in mind. The old Navigator profiles will continue to be supported, for now, because our mobile app still relies on them. So while the mobile app is only compatible with the older profiles, we've got you covered on both ends. Smooth transitions, without losing access or functionality. Want to make it your own? Just click Edit Layout and customize your Navigator layout to fit the way you work. When you enter Edit Layout mode, your Navigator transforms. A left-hand panel will appear. This is your component library. Inside, you'll find all the available building blocks. Each component offers unique functionality. And the best part? You can use them as many times as you need. Design your Navigator your way, piece by piece. Adding components is as easy as it gets. Just drag and drop, that's it. Your chosen component instantly becomes part of your Navigator layout. Simple, fast, and completely in your control. Once you've arranged your components just the way you like them, don't forget the final step. Hit Save Layout. This locks in your changes and brings your personalized Navigator to life. Next up is the Navigator selector, your shortcut to switching between different layouts. It works just like standard profiles, giving you the flexibility to jump between views with ease. Just a quick note. The current profile, or Navigator, will be temporarily disabled whenever you're editing a component's settings or when you're in Edit Layout mode. It's a small safeguard to make sure your changes are clean and conflict-free. Now let's take a look at the Navigator Settings button. Inside, you'll find Manage Charts, a dedicated space to organize and control your charts. It's a familiar experience, just like in the dashboard. You'll see a full list of your charts, all in one place, ready for you to manage with ease. Let's talk about the Role button. This controls your default role setting, a handy way to tailor what users see. We've added a toggle switch that lets you disable the role filter entirely, if needed. This feature is available only in the Navigator and dashboard, giving you more control where it matters most. Finally, let's look at the Filter button. We've streamlined it, bringing you a reduced filter, just like the one in the dashboard. Clean, simple, and focused, so you can filter exactly what you need without the clutter. Now let's explore the heart of the new Navigator, its components. These are your building blocks, each designed to bring powerful functionality to your layout. Here's what you can use: report, section, tile, insights, pipeline conversions charts, opportunities trend, quick links, target, and agenda. Mix, match, and arrange them however you like, because this Navigator is all about you. And here's something you'll notice. Each component comes with its own set of properties. They all share the same basic actions and settings, making it easy to learn once and apply everywhere. Simple, consistent, and user-friendly, just the way it should be. Want to give your components more context? Just click the Properties button. Here you can set the title and description, so every piece of your Navigator is clear, purposeful, and personalized. And to add a personal touch, use the Colors setting. Depending on the component, you can customize the background color or the header line, bringing your Navigator to life with color that fits your style. Need to reuse a component with the same setup? Just click Copy. It instantly creates a duplicate, including all your settings, so you can save time and stay consistent across your layout. And if you no longer need a component, just hit Remove. It's a quick way to clean up your Navigator layout, keeping only what matters most. Now let's start with the Report component. With this, users can add any report they have access to directly into the Navigator. But here's an important detail. What you're seeing isn't a copy. It's a live reference to the original report. That means it stays up to date, but it can't be edited from within the Navigator. You get visibility without changing the source. And if you want to dive deeper, just click on the report. The report settings let users open the full report directly. So with one click, you're right where the details live. Next up is the Section component. It's all about structure. Use it to organize your Navigator layout into clean, defined areas. Think of it as the framework that brings order to your content, helping everything feel neat, grouped, and easy to follow. Each section can be personalized too. Users can set the section title text and choose the text alignment, left, center, or right. A simple way to add clarity and a touch of style to your layout. Now let's talk about the Tile component. Think of it as a simplified scorecard just like the ones you've seen in reports. It displays an aggregated value from a selected entity and field, giving you instant insights at a glance. You can even focus on only the changed records using the changelog. And for extra clarity, values can be conditionally formatted, so key changes stand out the moment you look. In the tile settings, users can define exactly what data the tile should display. Choose your data source, then apply the right aggregation function, like sum, count, or average. It's a powerful way to turn raw data into meaningful metrics, tailored to your goals. Want to focus only on what's new or different? With the Show Changed Records option, you can. It works just like it does in list views on preview screens. When enabled, the tile will apply aggregation only to records that have changed within a specific time period. By default, this setting is off. But once turned on, it brings powerful visibility to recent activity. And to highlight what matters most, you can apply conditional formatting. Just click the Add button to set rules. It's a quick way to make key numbers stand out and speak louder, visually. By default, it starts empty, ready for you to define your own rules. Once conditions are added, the text and value will automatically change color when at least one condition is met. And if more than one rule applies, the first matching condition wins, following a top-to-bottom priority. It's a smart way to add visual cues that instantly draw attention to important values. Focus on your sales opportunities for revenue growth. Next up is the Insights component. At first glance, it might look like just another widget, but actually it's a list of tiles grouped together in one powerful view. Each tile delivers a quick metric or key performance indicator, making Insights your go-to spot for a snapshot of what's happening right now. In the Insights settings, users have full flexibility. You can add as many tiles as you need. There's no limit. Each tile is fully customizable, with its own settings, filters, and even conditional formatting. You can also assign a default background color to each tile for visual clarity. But keep in mind, conditional formatting will override that default whenever conditions are met. And to keep everything organized, tiles can be reordered manually using simple drag and drop. It's your Insights, your way, organized for action. Next is the pipeline conversion chart, a powerful visual that might already look familiar. That's because it's a reused component, carried over from the dashboard. It brings the same clarity and insight into your sales funnel, helping you track how opportunities are moving through each stage. Now let's explore the Opportunities Trend component. This chart gives you a clear view of your raw pipeline value before any probability adjustments are applied. It's a straightforward way to see the full potential of your pipeline, unfiltered and ready for analysis. It was inspired by the trend chart from the old Navigator. This updated version gives you a fresh, powerful view of your pipeline. The Opportunities Trend component is simple to configure, but rich in flexibility. Users can select exactly which value or line they want to visualize. You can also define the target period and set the frequency, weekly, monthly, or whatever fits your flow. And yes, you can even show a target line to track your progress. Just make sure the target is first defined in the Target tab. It's Insight, your way, with goals built right in. You can also apply a standard custom opportunity filter, just like you're used to elsewhere in the system. This ensures your trend chart shows only the opportunities that matter most to you. When it comes to setting a target, flexibility is key. Now we are going to open this target definition. Users can select an existing forecast, choose a saved target, or even define a custom value to track against. Whichever you choose, your Navigator stays aligned with your goals every step of the way. Select Custom from the available choices. Or, if you prefer full control, you can simply choose Custom Target and set your own value, your way. Next is the Quick Links component. Simple, but incredibly useful. It's designed to show helpful URLs right inside the Navigator, giving users easy access to guides, tools, or external resources they need, exactly when they need them. Setting it up is easy. Just add a name and a link. And when clicked, the link will open in a new tab, so users stay in their flow without losing their place in the Navigator. Now let's look at the Target component. It's a reworked version of the previous Target tool, now simplified and made more versatile than ever. You can use it with any entity, any field, and for any use case. It displays your aggregated data versus your target, giving you a clear view of progress at a glance. And just a quick note, there is currently one chart type available, but more are coming soon in the next scope. Setting up the target component is easy because it uses the same settings as tiles. Choose your data source, apply your aggregation, and you're good to go. Familiar, consistent, and ready to deliver results. Let's move on to the final component, the agenda, a straightforward yet powerful component that brings tasks right into the dashboard. It's not just a list. It's a focused space where users can quickly see what needs their attention without having to switch tabs or dig through menus. The agenda isn't a one-size-fits-all. It reflects the system's own activity types, meaning whatever your organization defines as tasks or follow-ups, that's exactly what shows up here. It's smart enough to adapt to your setup, so users always get a view that's relevant to their workflow, not someone else's. Right at the bottom, users are alerted to overdue tasks, marked in red for visibility. These are the action items that slipped through the cracks, and now they're front and center. Impossible to ignore, easy to act on. As with other components, the user has control. They can adjust the agenda settings to fit their preferences, keeping the experience consistent across the dashboard. Need to focus? Just apply a filter. Whether it's by owner or unit, users can narrow down the view to only what's relevant to them. Simple, clean, and efficient. The next step is to utilize the Navigator in order to go beyond the traditional CRM dashboard. With its advanced capabilities, Pipeliner CRM provides instant intelligence to all users, regardless of their role in the organization. This intelligence helps users cut through the clutter and focus on what is truly important in real time. This will greatly enhance the user experience and improve efficiency,